Hey guys, it's Josh from MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I've got a brand new Bennington to show you. It's the 22 SSR. This boat is a tri-tune with the SPS package. It's in the sunset red color. It's got a smooth accent panel. It's got the blackout Lux package, so we have that nice anodized black aluminum rails and the black rub rail insert. Got our integrated dock and nav lights here on the side. Let's walk around to the back and I can show you some more features. Hey guys, we're here at the back of the 22 SSR. This boat is equipped with a 175 super high output Yamaha. We've got our stainless steel Reliance prop, and over here on the starboard side, we've got a black anodized boarding ladder. Let's hop aboard and I can show you some more features. Hey guys, welcome aboard the 22 SSR. We're up here in the bow. We've got a table center line. We've got our forward chase lounges on both our starboard and port side. Our chase lounges are gonna have the roto-molded seat bases, so if it rains like it has today, the water won't get in and get all your stuff wet. We've got our cup holders and a little cubby tucked away on both of these lumbar areas on each side. We've got a trash can tucked away under this backrest. And over here at the helm, we have a fiberglass console. We've got a Garmin on the front of the dash here. We've got a tilt steering wheel, analog switches for all of our accessories, and a Rockford Fosgate sound system in this boat. We've got a really comfortable captain's chair and co-captain's chair to match. Moving back to the rear of the boat, we also have chase lounges in the rear, storage underneath both backrests as well as down below. We've got a 10-foot manual bimini on this one. Guys, if you have any questions about it or you'd like to come see it in person, give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.